Okay. Very great good morning to all of you. Today is very special day for all of you. I'll tell you later why it is special day. So first of all, your group 1 is already completed. It's time to start our group 2. I think already you know, in group 2 we have totally 4 papers, paper number 9, 10, 11 and 12. So paper number 9 is OM and SM, 10 is our paper. What is our paper name? 11 is FM and BDA, 12th one is management accounting. So when compared to group 1, group 2 is easy. Why? Because already you have learned basics in your group 1. So, because I don't have time on today, so directly let me enter into the subject. So, in total, our paper number 10, we have 2 parts. Part A is corporate accounting, part B is auditing. So, each carries 50 marks. That means, in our paper number 10, both are equally important. First part, corporate accounting, this is pure problematic part. Auditing is pure theory part. So both are equally important. Generally, majority of the students, either they will focus on CA, they will ignore audit, or vice versa. They will focus on audit part, they will ignore corporate accounting. So if you only follow either CA or audit, definitely you will not get good score. So to getting high score in our paper number 10, both the subjects are equally important. Don't give over importance to any subject. Some students, they love problematic part, they'll give more importance to CA. They'll ignore audit completely. That is not at all correct. Some people are there, they love law and audit, so they'll give more priority to audit, they'll ignore CA. That is also not correct. So for us, both the subjects are important. So first let us complete corporate accounting part. After completion of this, we'll move on to the audit part. So before that, I think everybody know, recent in December only, your seniors have written the last exams. So I think some of you are aware of this fact. I would like to tell that fact. So recent December 2025 examination papers are really tough. If my prediction is correct, for your coming attempt, exam papers are going to be more and more tough. Definitely it is going to be happen. Actually, CA intermediate and foundation and final level papers are like that. So they will not pick questions directly from the board material. They'll test your conceptual clarity. They will frame the question from the concept. Generally, that is how CA papers will prepare. I think the same trend is followed by the CMA Institute for last December 25 examinations. Not only corporate accounting, for all the papers, they have tested on clarity of concept. Actually, I was literally shocked. Of course, financial accounting paper is tough, that is as usual, because he can pick the questions from somewhere else. Shocking fact is, in paper number 10 also, they have not asked from the material. Out of entire all the 8 questions, not even one question from your board book or our material. Of course, if you have clarity of all concepts, you can answer those questions. In recent paper number 10 of December 25 examination, out of 15 MCQs, 14 MCQs are very easy. Every one of our student, definitely they will get 28 of 30. But the problem is, in descriptive part, out of 70 marks, he can answer all the questions only if he has the conceptual clarity. Some students are there, they will only prepare selective chapters, that to selective areas. They can't answer the paper. Even though they followed some of weightage. Still in that chapter also, they have not asked directly question from your material. They slightly modified all the questions, and literally it is showing that they are not checking your bookish knowledge. They are checking your conceptual knowledge. That means, I think it is definitely a good symptom to you. Why? Because already you have to be cautious from today onwards. Your papers are for sure going to be very tough. Please prepare for the worst scenario. Your seniors are very lucky who has qualified already. But for you, it is very tough. Tough means I will not change my teaching style. Definitely, I am just changing my categorization from A category to B or B to C. Slightly I modified the categorization. Apart from that, I am very clear with respect to my concept. But the problem is students they are only following selective chapters. It will not work out. Definitely, you have to be read each and every point in your material. Whatever we are giving, that material is more than enough. If you check financial accounting paper, partnership accounting, we have discussed partnership accounting. They have asked one question from admission of partner. If you remember, the question is Amit, Bhushan, Charan. One question is exactly they have copy pasted that question along with numbers. 14 marks question. And one question from capital and revenue transactions, that is also copy pasted as it is. 14 plus 7, 21. One question is from BRS, plus 7, 28. But in financial accounting paper, there is mistake in one question, that is incomplete records chapter question. Question itself mistake. They have to give grace marks. I don't know whether they will give or not. So in financial accounting, they have asked directly at least 40 marks from our material only. But in CA and audit, they have not even asked 1 mark directly from our material. Completely, they have tested knowledge of the student. So if you followed all our regular classes and if you prepare all the problems, all the material, whatever we have given to you, then only you can clear your exams. If you are writing for next June or December, if the papers are easy like all previous attempts, then all of you will feel happy. You can answer easily. But my prediction, definitely it will happen. Your papers are going to be more tougher than December attempt. Definitely either they will ask MCQ or in easy manner or else descriptive in easy manner. That is for sure. If the paper is very tough also, you can get 40 without any additional efforts. After 40 only, you have to work hard. So previously, my categorization is different. So after observing the December paper, I completely modified my categorization. So in our paper number 10, as per my analysis, A category chapters are these 4 chapters: banking, electricity, insurance. They will ask 16 marks from these areas. And Ind AS, in group 1 we have covered accounting standards, in group 2 we have Ind AS, Indian accounting standards. They will ask 9 marks. And one chapter is there, schedule 3, from where you can get 16 marks. And cash flow statement, you can expect 7 to 9 marks. But in recent exam, they have not asked a question from here. Instead, they have asked one more question from here. That means this categorization or division or weightage is not 100% accurate, but 95% accurate. Maximum they will ask in the same manner whatever we are writing here. Slightly they have modified. In recent exam what happened? They have not tested this cash flow statement, so they have added here plus 7. But for your attempt, definitely they will ask cash flow statement, because people will ignore cash flow statement. So that means from these 4 chapters only, 16 plus 9, 25, plus 16, 41, plus 7, 48 to 50 marks. What is the weightage of total corporate accounting subject? 50 marks. So from these 4 chapters we'll cover total paper. Remaining all are comes under choice questions or extra marks. So previously in B category I have only 1 chapter, but this time I have included all the chapters in B category only, all the remaining chapters. All remaining chapters. Issue of shares, rights issue, bonus issue, buyback, forfeiture of shares, underwriting, preference shares, rights issue is already done, no? Sweat equity shares. In C category, only 2 chapters, issue of debentures, redemption of debentures. So at least if you thoroughly follow all these 4 chapters, you can get 90% of the marks. But in reality, banking is separate chapter, this is separate chapter, this is separate chapter. But in my point of view, for my weightage, these 3 comes under only single chapter. Okay? So at least, this is the first class of our interaction. At least try to remember how many chapters we are going to discuss. Out of those chapters, which chapters comes under A category? At least they are important. So tell me, what are the A category chapters? Banking, electricity, insurance. In fact, there are 3 separate chapters in our material. Accounting for banking companies, accounting for electricity companies, accounting for insurance companies. But for me, these 3 comes under same category or same chapter. Second one, Ind AS full form, Indian Accounting Standards. What is the weightage of Ind AS? 9 marks. Third one, Schedule 3, 16 marks question. 114 marks question plus 1 MCQ. And fourth one, cash flow statement, 7 to 9 marks. 7 to 9 means sometimes they will ask MCQ, sometimes they will skip that question. Recent exam they have asked MCQ, but they have not asked 7 marks question. Instead of, they have given 1 more question from Ind AS. Generally Ind AS they will ask only 1 question, but this time they have asked another question. So they completely ignored cash flow statement. Remaining all comes under B category, except 2 chapters. So definitely I will start with only A category chapters, for sure. Because in group 2 there is no such kind of order, or no need to start with only first chapter. We can start any chapter. That's why I will start with all important chapters. So definitely before Pongal, we'll try to complete all A category chapters. I don't know it is going to happen or not. I'll plan. Okay. So in C category, only 2 chapters. Those 2 are related to debentures. So still we will try to cover all the important chapters and the B category and C category chapters. All these are only corporate accounting part. What about audit? We'll discuss after the completion of this subject. So as of now, let's focus only on corporate accounting part. Okay. So few instructions from my side. I will not revise single class. I will not revise. Definitely my practice is there. So tomorrow definitely I will revise whatever I have done in yesterday's session. But for latecomers, I can't revise. First 10 classes or first 10 hours, they will upload on YouTube. Remaining classes, definitely we will not upload on YouTube. Okay. So some instructions from my side. So definitely you need to maintain a good notebook. That should be a rule notebook. I will not accept white notebooks. Point number 2. So already December exams are done. You are going to write your exams in coming June. That means you are almost in danger zone. So you have to listen each and every class with 100% attention. And a bad symptom to you, your papers will not be easy. And if I am not wrong, board also, they will conduct from next exam, they will conduct all exams with most care. They will not spare small amount of malpractice. They will take very what you call severe measurements if you take any such kind of malpractice things. If you have only knowledge, if you have only clarity of concept, you will clear your CMA Inter. For that you have to listen all classes, not only my subject, all the subjects. Remember, you have to write group 1 as well. At least group 1 is done. At least listen all the group 2 classes from day 1 itself. Once group 2 classes are completed at the end of the day, please try to complete all those classes as on the same day. At least you will get confidence on group 2. Otherwise, definitely it will be lot of pressure on you. Because you can't open group 1 books now. Already I told you a number of times in your group 1, that is going to happen now, you can see. You can't open because you will not have any time to open group 1 books. Because in group 2 we will conduct all the 4 classes. You have to cover each and every subject. At least try to be perfect in group 2 from day 1. Believe me, if you listen all group 2 classes without any options, definitely you are going to clear for both the groups in single attempt. Believe me. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, please try to bring one good rule notebook and one calculator, that is mandatory thing. Number 3, very soon I will give you material. And definitely you have to write some context. I will give very wonderful notes. Everything already written in my notes. You have to just copy it. I'll explain and you have to write it. Whatever I am giving the notes, that is most enough, more than enough, most important, more than enough. Okay. So definitely in paper number 10, I can give the best. That is for sure. If the paper is easy for your attempt, definitely you will get 70 plus or 80. If the paper is moderate, you will get 60 to 70. If the paper is difficult, you will get 50. That's how I am planning myself. Okay. So this time, based upon paper, I will definitely change myself with respect to where I have to focus more. The only thing, your participation is needed. అర్థమవుతుందా? Day 1 నుంచే try to be perfect. Okay? Yeah, please open your notebooks if you have notebooks, otherwise write somewhere else. All new notebooks, very nice smell. Give a heading, A category chapters. Do you want me to dictate? You can copy now. Where is all of my brothers? After Sankranti. Nice. Tell them we will complete all A category chapters. Tomorrow I will start banking companies. Tomorrow is Tuesday, no? Sunday exam on banking companies. Yes. Done. Try to be consistent to all the classes, my dear students. So definitely if you spend next 3 months all of your efforts, definitely you will qualify. That is my promise. Especially with respect to paper number 10, please leave up to me, surrender. Just believe whatever we are discussing in the class. Just follow me as it is. At the end of batch, you will get huge confidence on paper number 10, that is my guarantee. This time we will plan very good marathon and EVO batch for paper number 10 as well. So to make it possible, let's try to complete our entire syllabus as early as possible. Then we can conduct n number of revision classes, marathon classes. We can complete the pending topics in our financial accounting and all those things. So this time my major focus will be on corporate accounting and audit. I'm expecting at least 180 plus from this batch. It is possible. I'm very much confident on it. Surprisingly, our students will get that marks. Tell me what we are discussing, group 1 or group 2? Paper number 25 or 35? Paper number 10, subject name? CA and audit. CA weightage and sir? What about audit? So in corporate accounting, as per our analysis, we have divided into 3 categories, A category, B category and our main focus is firstly on what are the A category chapters? Banking, electricity, insurance, Ind AS, Schedule 3. What is the weightage of BEI? 16 marks, 114 marks question plus 1 MCQ. What is weightage of Ind AS? But in recent exams they have asked 16 marks. Why? Because they have ignored cash flow statement. Next, Schedule 3 weightage, that is fixed, 114 question, 1 MCQ. So in paper number 10, 14 marks question is only from Schedule 3, no other chance. Only from Schedule 3 they can ask the question. In group 1, only partnership accounting. And last one, cash flow, 7 to 9 marks. So remaining majority chapters comes under B category. What are those chapters? Issue of shares, rights issue, bonus issue, buyback, forfeiture of shares, underwriting, issue of preference shares, redemption of preference shares, sweat equity. In C category, issue of debentures, redemption of. Let's start with C category chapters. We'll start with tomorrow we will start accounting for banking companies. So what is the weightage of banking companies? I can't tell. Banking plus electricity plus insurance equals to 16 marks. Okay, no? Yeah. So we will meet tomorrow. Until then, I will not miss you. Bye.